I felt her coming on to me. She came to say hello, bought me my favorite drink, and we found a place lost in privacy. She had the energy, knew my whole melody. Then she started bawling, don't know if I should stop, but she's holding on to me to stay, to stay. Don't you think about stopping? I'm looking for your love, you're mine for the night, and we're doing it my way. See what you don't know, your girl was born a freak. See what you don't know, no, 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 your girl was born a freak. Felt like a full-blown addict. House turned to hideaway. At it for 7 days, and she had this face of apology that hid it all from me. Then I saw him calling, say he on the block, till he rushing through the door. So I say, wait, this is all madness for really, but the fact is your girl trying to trick me into thinking she the baddest. I'm better off anyway. Ain't nothing you can change. 'Cause she'll do it all again and again and again. See what you